I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects.
Our neighbor Kathy has lent us her new barbecue, so we're building her a barbecue table to say thanks. It's fragile and it looks like an egg.
It's definitely kicked in our maternal instinct for eggs.
Egg fight? It led Junior to think about those challenges that kids have in school. I'm gonna name mine Egbert. I now have an egg, Junior has an egg. If you purposely break the other guy's egg, you lose. And we're gonna see who can keep theirs alive till the end of the project.
Meet Agnes Sheldon. We decided that whoever breaks their egg first has to give the speech at the barbecue. Go to bed, Agnes. I've got mine in a toilet paper roll, so nice and comfortable.
I can't imagine that you can keep an egg in your tool belt and not break it because you're always bending over and things just hit it.
Kevin's got this contraption on his head. That's cheating. At least it draws your eye away from his face. So Kevin took Egbert off his hat. He's inside right now having a nap, and he forgot his egg. We're supposed to be taking care of them at all times. The rules are you're not allowed to touch the other guy's egg. If you set your egg down, it's fair game. He set it down. I went and did the little switcheroo. Put another egg in there, took his egg and hid it in the barbecue. You thought what you're gonna say? Your speech?
How could I possibly break this egg?
Kevin was fairly self-assured with his setup. He didn't think it was gonna get broken, but...
If you hit it, then you lose.
I whacked it on his head and basically crushed yolk all over his head. Hey! Don't do that! Oh, you didn't hurt him. And I just held it there, and sure enough, waxed it out of my hand, and that meant he lost. Looks like you're giving the speech, buddy.
No, you broke mine first.
Then I showed him his egg. Hello, Egbert.
I never would have killed an innocent egg if it wasn't for Andrew. This is how bad things happen.
I'm looking forward to hearing his toast at the community dinner. There's still a lot to do. Barbecue's tomorrow. I'm gonna finish this up, and we'll have a nice little party here. Hopefully.